Hello everyone. Today I will show how to make this cool scroll animation in WordPress using Motion Page plugin. So once you scroll the page, the video will zoom into full screen and will go back to normal while scrolling back. I will use Elementor Page Builder in this tutorial, but the process is same for any other page builder as well, like Bricks Builder or Oxygen Builder. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by adding a new container. Set its height to 100 VH and center align the content. And give it a background color of your choice. Now add a heading widget and style it accordingly. After that, add a container below the heading widget. And set its direction to row horizontal. Now add 3 containers inside this container. And set their width according to the content and video width. Add the text in the left and right container. And add the spacer widget in the video container so we can control the height of the video. Click on the video container and go to Style and add the video background. Then adjust the height by changing the spacer value. I will quickly add the remaining headings. I also added a dummy section below so we can have a space for scrolling. Now let's give IDs and classes to the content which we will target in Motion Page for animations. Click on Main Container and go to Advanced. And give it a unique ID which we will use to pin this container while scrolling. Then click on the heading and give it a class. And copy this class and give it to all the text elements. So all the text headings will scroll up by targeting this one class. Now click on Video Container and give it a unique ID as well. Let's update the page. Now let's open Motion Page and create a new timeline. Give it a name and select the right page. Set the trigger to scroll trigger and click on Lock to Scroll Bar and set the delay to 0.2 seconds. Then click on Pinned Element and paste the main container ID in it, so it will be pinned while scrolling. Set the start value to 0 and ends value to -120%. Now paste the video container ID in the animation selector and hit enter. Scale it up so it fits the screen while scrolling. As the video is not exactly in the center, so click on Translate and adjust the X and Y values accordingly. Now let's add another animation node for text scroll. And paste the class given to all the headings. Then click on Translate and give Y value of -100 VH. So once we scroll, the text will move upwards and also the video will grow simultaneously. Also set the easing to none for both animations to avoid any delay. Let's save the timeline and check it on the front end. The animation looks great. So this is how you can make this scroll animation without using any code at all. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.